the snail is.
You're done? So let your sister borrow the fish net.
Oh, the one. Oh man, there's more.
Where is the fish net? Let your sister borrow it.
Here, it's a snail. We need to get the other snail now. It's been dry. Here, it's a snail under. Carlos, come. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. There's a snail over there. Oh, the snail. No. There's a snail over there. I got the snail. Look, Mommy.
What's this?
Snaily.
Oh, it's a cool. It's a snail.
Yeah. I'm gonna put.
Kuya Jai, can you let your sister borrow the fish net, please?
Of course I will. Here
She's
you
so
go.
sad na.
What are you gonna get? Snaily. Snaily. Snaily.
You make sure you wash your hands later, ha? Put in the eye. Sorry. You get a snail gyros and put it in Jasmine's fish net, please.
Forget that. It will be in trouble. It will be dry and died. Now we cannot swim. Forget that. You're the scream in my pond. No. Sorry, I need to get that. Oh, snail egg. Snail egg. There you go. Snail egg. Where do I get the snail that's growing on? That's not snail. Snail here. Oh, snail. It must be. They're not breathing. Let them to breathe.
I think it's already dead.
Ah! No, don't fall down. Don't fall down. Don't fall down.
Those are dead snails.
Yes, you can put them in the water. It's a snail egg. Snail egg.
Gyros, you have to make sure you wash your hands at home, okay? Okay?
I found a snail egg.
Yes, but you have to make sure you wash your hands when you go home. Do you understand?
Yes, there's so many snail eggs.
Yeah, there's so many snail eggs.
Yes.
But did you know that your shoes are backwards?
No,
Those are backwards.
they're not.
Okay.
They're perfect.
No, they're not. They're not.
Of course they're perfect. They're perfect. They're perfect. Swimming. Look. It says swimming. No.
Can you look at me, guys, and smile?
Snail.
Hey, guys, can you look at me and smile?
I still need to get back. I got it.
What's that?
Look. Look.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what's the name of that, but it's still a kind of a snail.
Her name is Jelly.
What?
Her name is Snowy.
Snaily?
Yes.
Okay.
Put. But this is short. Put.
Yeah, it's sharp. Yeah, it's sharp.
I'm gonna put it in the ocean. He cannot breathe.
It's not an ocean. It's a pond.
Ocean.
It's Uncle Unin's pond.
Ocean pond is meant to be a water park.
It's meant to be a water park?
Yes.
Okay. Tell your kuya. Tell your Uncle Unin. Uncle Unin, is this a water park?
Yes. Is he in Mommy and house?
Yes, he is.
Yes. To show you again. I can blow it.
Are you a monkey? Oh no! Sas matoslok, ginarunday. What are you doing?
Hey,
Where?
come on, jump.
No, I won't jump. I might fall down.